Welcome back to the Brew Tank Brew Buds, where today we're going to be making a sweet peach melomel. I love peaches, and these I found at the store in great shape. Now when working with anything that has a seed or stone at its center, you always want to remember to remove them as they do contain arsenic. I'm just going for simple this round like all my melomels with raw wildflower honey, as this is my first peach mead and I want to get a good feel of how to flavor it. Today we're going to use fresh star sands, 3 pounds of raw wildflower honey, 2 pounds of peaches, our little big mouth bubbler, 71B yeast, Go Firm yeast nutrient, cheap vodka or sterile boiled water if you prefer, a measuring cup, measuring spoons, and our yeast pitching bowl. Also, you will want a hydrometer and graduated cylinder to take your original gravity readings. Alright, let's get started. Let's prepare our area for mead making. As always, sanitization first. Now after we pour most of our water into the carboy, we're going to reserve 2 cups off to the side and warm it in the microwave. Once that water is warm, we're going to pour in our 71B yeast and give it a small stir. Next, we add our Go Firm nutrient to help with fermentation. Now, let's grab our honey from the sink that's been warming up and getting ready to pour. Time for that sweet honey shot. Give it a good stir. Make sure to introduce oxygen into the must for the yeast so they will not get stressed during fermentation. Okay, let's take a reading with our hydrometer. Looks like we're at 1.100, so we're going to get an ABV of approximately 13%. This one is going to ferment dry, so you may want to add some more honey in the beginning stages of fermentation or back-sweeten it later on after you stabilize. Now I'm going to drop it in my bag of fruit and give it a slight stir. Our yeast should be ready for tempering, so a few spoonfuls to begin with will help our yeast acclimate to their environment. You need to take a little time with this as not to shock the yeast. Just wait a couple minutes, then add some more in. Now, we say our yar kalk, and we pitch. Okay, after the pitching is done, I'm going to give it a few more stirs. Side note, you can always freeze your fruit and thaw it out to break down the cell walls and release their juices. After that, we tighten up the lid, place the airlock on, and fill up with your choice of vodka or sanitized water. Alright, all that's left is to give it some time and hopefully we got a tasty melomel on our hands. Hope you all give it a try and share your experience with peach in the comments below. If you like my videos and want to see more, then hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Cheers.